Okay, I feel like I'm on a roll. So, I found, let's see, let's say you have a Flipgrid for them to do, and I like to start the year sometimes with 2 truths and a lie with my students. And I thought Flipgrid would be a great way for us to continue that tradition. So, I actually went ahead and, after I got my hair done last week, I decided to make this video. And it was an example for what the kids are going to have to do. So if you want to show that example directly from CTLS, so that they have the example before they go into Flipgrid, it's so easy to do it. You just go into the Flipgrid that you created. If you've already made the video, you're going to want to share that video. So you'll copy this link here. You'll go into your class again, and let's say you want to put it in classboard. Okay, we're going to name it example for today's Flipgrid. And then again, I'm going to click where it says type something so that the plus sign comes up. I'll click the plus sign and the embedded URL, and I'll paste that. Click OK. Add topic, and boom. So now all you do, or all the kids will do, on their page, since this is already up for them, they will click on the picture, and now the video's up, and you can play it.
Hey class, Miss Ray here, and I'm super excited to get this year kicked off.
So
then, this is my 3rd year teaching our 2 truths and a lie.
There you go. So I'll spare you that. So that's a great way for us to kind of show an example of what they're going to have to do for the day on Flipgrid, if we choose to do Flipgrid that day, or whenever we do Flipgrid, then it populates right here. Thought that was cool.